Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ananya MK. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Department of Information Science and Engineering. Subject name Data Structure. Subject code BCS305. USN 1VE 23IS 004. Topic Information and Dynamic Hashing. Introduction to Dynamic Hashing. Dynamic hashing is a method of storing a data that allows for a efficient retrieval and a modification. It addresses a limitation of a static hashing where the number of buckets is fixed. By using a dynamic hashing, the system can adapt to varying data sizes and distribution. What is hashing? We will know what is hashing and what is its advantage and what is disadvantage and what is the application of this. Hashing is a technique used to convert input data into fixed size of a string of a character, usually for fast data retrieval. The output of a hashing function is known as a hash value for a hash code. This hash value determines the index in the hash table where the data will be stored. Types of hashing. There are two main types of hashing, static and a dynamic. Static hashing has a fixed number of buckets, which can lead to overflow if a data grows. Dynamic hashing, on the other hand, can expand and contract based on the number of elements. Importance of a dynamic hashing. What are the important things for using of dynamic hashing? Dynamic hashing allows for more efficient memory usage as it adjusts to the amount of data. It minimizes collision which occur when a multiple keys hash to the same index. The ability to grow and shrink dynamically makes it suitable for application with the unpredictable data size. Basic concept of a dynamic hashing. What are the basic concept of dynamic hashing? Dynamic hashing uses a directory that maps hash values to the buckets. Each bucket can contain a multiple entries, usually managed through a linked list or a trace. When a bucket exceeds its capacity, the structure can recognize itself to accommodate a new entries. Key components of a dynamic hashing. The key components include hash function, a directory, and a buckets. The hash function is responsible for calculating the index for a new entries. Bucket store the actual data, entries the directory, map, hashes, values to these buckets. Hash function in a dynamic hashing. A good hash function distributes keys uniformly across the available buckets. Poorly designed hash function can lead to clustering and increased collision. Dynamic hashing often employs techniques like multiple active hashing or division hashing. Directory management. The directory in a dynamic hashing is a structure that keeps a track of mapping between hash values and buckets. As the number of entries increases, the directory can be double in a size to accommodate more buckets. The management of the directory is crucial for maintaining efficient access and storage. Handling a collision. Collision occurs when two or more keys hash to the same index in the table. Dynamic hashing handles and collision using overflow buckets. Linked lists are by rehashing. Strategies of a collision resolution are vital to maintain a performance in a dynamic hashing. Advantages of a dynamic hashing. One of the main advantage is flexibility in a size, allowing for optimization based on a usage. It provides a better average case performance compared to the static hashing. And dynamic hashing can efficiently manage a high loads without a significant performance and a degradation. Disadvantage of a dynamic hashing. One potential drawback is the overhead associated with the resizing the directory. The complexity of managing a dynamic structure can lead to increased implementation difficulty. In some cases, performance can suffer during a rehearsing operation. Application of a dynamic hashing. Dynamic hashing is widely used in a database for indexing and a quick lookups. It is helpful in a memory management system where the data size is unpredictable. Other applications include caching mechanism and a distributed system. Conclusion: dynamic hashing is a powerful technique for managing a data in a flexible and efficient manner. Understanding its mechanism can lead to a better data structure design and implementation. As the data sector continues to grow, dynamic hashing will play a crucial role in a data management and strategies. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.